Welcome to the model of the life cycle of Entamoeba histolytica. The cysts and trophozoites are passed in feces. Cysts are typically found in formed stool, whereas trophozoites are typically found in diarrheal stool. Infection happens by swallowing the mature cyst in fecally contaminated food and water. The trophozoites multiply producing cyst. Both stages are passed in the feces. The cysts can live up to weeks outside of their natural environment and are responsible for a transmission of the disease. Trophozoites passed in the stool are quickly destroyed once they get outside of the body, and if ingested, would not survive exposure to the gastric environment. In many cases, the trophozoites remain confined to the intestinal lumen of asymptomatic carriers, and passing the cyst in their stool is how this happens. This is not an invasive infection. In some patients, the trophozoites get into the intestinal mucosa or get to the bloodstream and go to places such as the liver, brain, and lungs, which can result in pathological manifestations. This spreading is very unlikely. The invasive and non-invasive forms of the species are very hard to tell apart underneath the microscope. Transmission can also occur through exposure to fecal matter during sexual contact, in which case not only cysts but also trophozoites can prove infective.